No, you can't.
Do you know where I can get some dog food from?
Dog food?
I want to eat some dog food.
He wants to eat dog food.
Yeah, it's very healthy.
You want to eat dog food?
Are you a vegan?
Excuse me?
Are you a vegan? Do you know what vegan means?
Are you seriously asking me this fucking question?
Yeah. All these pizzas look pretty fattening.
Yeah. No.
Too much cheese.
Too much cheese.
And cheese makes you fat. Can I have this one?
No, they're down there.
Down there? What do you call this one?
It's a rotten.
It's good?
It is quite good.
Oh, it's very healthy. Do you guys know where the condoms are? Do you know where the condoms are? Is it this section?
I would think it's the other section. Probably the baby diapers.
Somewhere there. 10-inch condoms, that one?
I think so.
Do 10-inch? I want to eat some vegetarian around here.
Oh, I wouldn't know where you get one from here. Vegetarian wouldn't have a clue.
Are you a vegetarian?
No.
Is eating meat healthy?
Well, wait a minute, you're my life. Doesn't know what I mean, you have?
Sorry I'm late. You must be the girl that ordered from the escort agency? Hey buddy, do you know where I can get some LSD from?
No.
Some trips?
No, I wouldn't have a clue, buddy.
I want to get some acid and bubbles there. Do you know where I can buy any steroids from around here?
Steroids?
Yeah, I want to get swole.
No.
I want to be like Queen Offshore Workout. You guys sell cocaine here? Huh? You sell cocaine here? Cocaine? No? No. Okay. Do you know what chia seed is? Chia seeds.
Chia seeds.
What is that?
Oh, they're high in omega-3s. They're meant to be very healthy.
Oh, so it's healthy.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What are you looking for here?
I'm just looking for something with carbs to eat. That's not
Yeah, carbs are good, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, you need them.
Yeah, carb the fuck up, I say.
Yeah, that's right.
Is this the NRL?
Yes, it is. Well done.
Do you know where I can get some steroids from? Is it NRL?
No.
Any steroids, yeah?
Not steroids. No.
No steroids?
No.
NRL,
Union.
steroids,
Union.
What's that?
Rugby union.
Oh, rugby union, no steroids. Oh. 30 bananas a day. Are you on that fruitarian diet, are you? Is 30 bananas a day diet?
No, I'm just eating
A lot of fruit. Have you heard of that? 30bananasaday.com.
No.
It's very popular on Instagram. 30 bananas a day. You're vegan?
He just asked me if I'm a virgin and
No. A vegan. Vegetarian. A vegan.
Oh, okay, that's what I heard you say.
Over there. Over there.
Over there?
Woolworths.
Oh, those girls got really excited.
I sell dog food over there.
Dog food over there? You guys sell Viagra?
Yeah. You need a prescription for that one.
What's the strongest Viagra I can get? My niece is coming to town this weekend.
You need a prescription though.
Yeah, okay.
So if you go see a doctor, speak to a doctor about it, yeah, he'll give you a hand.
What do I tell the doctor?
That's that you need something to help. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What's the strongest milligram I can get?
45.
I want to be rock hard for my niece.
That sounds good, but you have to see a doctor.
Alright, thanks mate. I'm not going to get something from my girlfriend.
Yeah.
What do 18-year-olds like to wear?
Sorry?
What do 18-year-olds like to wear?
Yeah, Yeah, the Playboy.
So,
That's really popular.
oh, she padded bra, is it?
Yeah, but you can always remove them.
Oh, yeah, she doesn't need padding, that's for sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you know what size she is?
She's a 10D.
10D.
10 double D.
10 double D. Perfect. Do you like this one?
I'm not so sure of that one. I'm looking for my dealer.
Your dealer?
He's a bit late. You seen a guy
I don't know.
you guys know I can get some cocaine from?
Why would you want to get cocaine? That's bad for you.
Is it?
Yes.
I've been doing it forever.
I don't know. I don't know anybody in Adelaide.
Okay.
Why? That's so bad for you.
Quick fix.
Quick,
No,
quick,
we don't
quick.
know so.
Alright. So
We
you
don't
think
know
drugs is
anybody.
bad?
Pardon?
It's bad for you. Cocaine?
Does my dad?
No, cocaine. It's bad for you.
Yeah, it's bad for you.
Yes, it's really bad for you.
What does it do?
My God. You shouldn't be doing it. It's bad. It's generally bad for your brain functions. It destroys brain cells.
Are you busy tonight?
Why, yes. I am why.
You got time for a date?
No, sorry.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm sorry.
You don't date older guys? You don't date older guys?
I haven't dated anybody for a long time.